everyone. Today I'm going to start with a basic program in Python, that is addition of two numbers. First we have to keep in mind that whatever we write in inverted comma, the same content is printed, and whatever we write without inverted comma, the value of that particular variable is printed. For example, we have here a is equal to 10. We write print a, that is without inverted comma. The value for a is printed. We write print in inverted comma a is printed. Fine. So now we'll move forward for addition of two numbers. So for that we need to declare two variables with some value. A is equal to 90, b is equal to 89, and c is equal to a plus b. Print c. Okay, the addition of that particular numbers are printed. Now what if we want user to put some value for a and b? We'll write a is equal to int is a data type here for user, so that he can put only integer type of value only. Input is a function here. Enter first number 89. B is equal to int input second number 90. Then C is equal to a plus b. Print c. See, the addition is completed. Now we can do multiplication, addition, subtraction, division. I'll show you the multiplication part here. C is equal to a multiplied by